So hi guys, today I'm gonna answer Filipino 3. So let's put my name first. Done. Now let's start. Piliin ang tamang salitang kilos. Si Lisa ay blank nagsilid-aralaan. A. Naglilinis. B. Upuan. C. Aklat. Naglilinis. Ang mga bata ay blank sa parke. A. Naglalaro. B. Puno. C. Bangko. Naglalaro. Ako ay na blank ng aking aralin. A. Nag-aaral. B. Lapis. C. Papel. Nag-aaral. Si tatay ay blank ng halaman. A. Nagdidiling. B. Halaman. C. Paso. A. Nagdidiling. Si nanay ay nagpagkain. A. Nagluluto. B. Kusina. C. Plato. Nagluluto. Next. Bumuo ng pag-usap. Tumalon. Number 1, tumalon. 2, sumayaw. 3, kumain. 4, nagsulat. Naghugas. Wait. Tumalon. Ako ay naghat. Ako ay nagtumalo. Okay. Sumayaw. I know this means dance. Ako ay nagsulat. Ako
letter
Kumakain. Kumain. Kumakain.
What will you say?
How do you say that?
Kumain.
I thought it says kumain.
Oh, kumain. Sentence. Make a sentence.
Kumain ako sa bahay.
Dot.
Nagsulat. Naghugas. Nagsulat. Ako nga nagsulat. Naghuhugas. This means washing plates. Ako ay naghugas ng how to spell plato?
Try.
Plato. Dot. Next, piliin ang tamang sagot. Alin ang laro ng lahi? A. Patintero. B. Chinese garter. B. Mobile game. I see. Mobile games.
Patintero. A.
A. What does that mean?
Patintero.
Chinese garter. What's that?
Chinese garter.
What's
The one
that?
you're jumping.
Like this?
Mm.
Next. Ano ang ginagawa sa how do you say that?
Taguan. Hide and seek.
Okay. They say, wait, ano ang ginagawa sa taguan? What they mean?
Hide and seek. How do you play that? A.
A. Nagtatago at naghahanap. B. Kumakain. C. Natutulog. A. Nagtatago at naghahanap. 3. Ano ang kailangan upang masaya sa paglalaruan?
What will you do to make you happy in playground?
A. Pagkakaisa. B. Pag-aaway. C. How do you say that?
Dadaya.
What's that mean?
Cheating. What will you do so that you may be happy?
Wait, I cannot see. What does this mean?
Pagkakaisa.
You're one,
Yeah.
playing one. How about this one?
Away.
You're arguing.
Yeah.
How about this?
Cheating. Be as one. As one.
As one.
Play.
Why don't it have make friends?
Make friends. That's one. Pagkakaisa. Making friends.
I thought one. Next. 4. Kailan ka maaring maglaro?
Mm.
It says here, what time do you play?
Mm.
A. Kapag tapos na ang gawain. C. Habang kumakain. B. Habang may klase. Yes.
What?
Habag tapos na ang gawain. Next, ano ang magandang asal? What does the asal mean?
Attitude.
Na?
Good manners.
Okay. May kayo. May 5 pa. A. Palaging tapat. What does that mean?
True. Always saying the truth.
Okay. And then, what's next? B. Madaya. What's that?
Cheating.
How about this?
Selfish.
And this?
Naughty.
Oh. This. Next. 6. Ano ang laro ng lahi ang nalalaro mo na?
Mm.
What does it mean?
What have you played? A. Oh,
What have you played?
oh, hide and seek, right?
No. I
You're-
don't even have playmate.
So what did you know? Hide and seek. That's the answer.
Where?
Number 6. Hide and seek.
Where do you
Tago-taguan.
choose?
You put.
Where? Here? Okay. How to spell that? I'm gonna put it there. Where's the taguan?
Just put it. Tago-taguan.
Taguan.
Number 7.
That's how you spell it.
Mm.
Next. Sino ang madalas kalaro?
Oh, you're playing with cousins, classmates, pinsan. You put
Friend.
friend.
How do you spell that?
You try.
In
You know.
Tagalog.
Kaibigan.
E.
Kaibigan.
How to spell that?
Ka.
Ka.
K-A.
Oh. I'm gonna erase it. Ka.
E. I. B.
B.
B. I.
I.
Gun.
Huh?
Gun.
Like that.
It's
8. Saan kayo naglalaro? Sa bahay. Sa bahay. Ano ang naramdaman kupang naglalaro?
what do you feel if you're playing?
Happy
Mhm.
or playful?
What do you feel?
What's the Tagalog of that?
Oh, what's your answer?
What do you call it? Happy.
Oh, what's happy?
Happy.
Masaya.
Masaya. What is it again? Okay. Done. Next, number 10. Ano ang natutunan sa paglaro?
What have you learned in playing?
What do you call this?
What do you learn in playing? Sharing. Patience.
I think,
What have you learned in playing? Be patient.
no.
Sharing.
Wait. Share. How does the Tagalog of that?
Share.
Share.
Be patient.
Okay. Share instead. Done. Bye, guys.
Patient.